Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer classes. Uh, we have studied about program in Scratch, a well-defined set of instructions written in a computer language that directs the computer to perform a specific task is called a program. We were coding with the Scratch, and what is Scratch? Scratch is a programming language that makes it easy to create your own interactive stories. And we have seen about sprite. A sprite is a graphical animated image that a user can interact with, and it moves around the stage. Different sprites that means pictures or images perform actions in the project. Script area is the place where you write the script for the sprite. You can drag desired commands to the script area, and the dragged commands will become part of your program or script. There is a stage over there. The stage is the area where the sprite moves, and interface of the stage is the background on which the animation and other actions take place. Block palettes, all possible type of commands that you could write on the script is called block palette. Algorithm. An algorithm is the step-by-step process of solving a problem, and it gives an ordered sequence of instructions that provide solution to a problem. And pseudocode is an English-like representation of a program which is independent of any computer language. And the pseudocode is a way of describing an algorithm or an outline of a program that can be easily converted to a program instruction in a specific language. Flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. A flowchart uses different shapes to represent different types of logics and steps in an algorithm, which indicates the sequence in which the steps are to be followed. And we want to see about the two Scratch programs today, and these are the codes written in Scratch 2 offline editor to draw a star and to rotate that star and to change the pen color so that you will get the desired result on the screen. The codes are there. Just when clicked, it will clear the screen, and the mouse will the sprite will point in direction 90 degrees, and there comes a message. I'm going to draw a circle. It will stand there for 2 seconds, and then it will move to the x and the y coordinate. The x coordinate will be plus 32, and the y coordinate it will be plus 130, and the repeat option comes over there. The repeat 5 moves 75 steps and turn 145 degrees. That loop, the repeat 5 loop, that is a loop which draws a triangle, and to repeat it 120 times means, and that too turning 3 degrees, that means between two stars it will be turning 3 degrees, and it will move another 7 steps also over there. After completing that, the pen is up, and it goes to another x coordinate minus 52 and minus 35, so that the bigger star inside it is being drawn with, and there I have changed the color of the pen after drawing 180 steps. The length of the side of one star is 180 steps, and after that it is being changed by 30 degrees, so that the colorful star which is being drawn will be on the screen. You can click on the flag or you can just make the screen full and just click on the flag so that it starts working. The stars are being drawn in circle and another big star is being drawn on the center of the stars drawn in circle. Okay, that's the program. I'm stopping it and I am dragging it back. The next program is about a fish game, so that look here, a lot of fishes are there, jellyfishes are there, and now the shark is eating the fish up. And if it touches the jellyfish, it will lose points. Okay, and when it starts eating the fishes, the shark becomes bigger. And when it gets up to the size of 90 size, it reduces and starts. Now the number of fishes in the game has reduced. And how this is being done, this is the codes are there in the background. I just want to keep your curiosity. In this game we have created a shark, the shark 2, and the small fishes are there. I have reduced the size of the fishes and the clowns are being made, and it is being programmed in such a manner that when it eats the fishes, its size and the color changes, and when the fish comes to its mouth, it starts chewing. Okay, these are being written over there, and when the size of the fish, the shark fish, is more than 100%, it shrinks to a small fish. Okay, and various commands are being written so that now you have seen that it has reduced its size. Now after eating the fish, it will start growing and the color also will change, and 4 backdrops are being given under 2 underground under ocean backgrounds, and when it touches the jellyfish, it will lose points, and when it eats fishes, it will get 1 point up. Look, I will check whether, look how many points it lost. And the jellyfish program is when it touches it, it will wait for 1 minute and it will change the color. The jellyfish color will change. It will reduce this. It will reduce the points by when he eats the fishes, it will get only 1 point, and when it touches the jellyfish, it will lose 5 points. Okay, the variables are being set in such a manner that the score rises, and we will see how it works. The big shark fish need to move according to the movement of the mouse. The first condition, you have to write a program in such a manner that the big shark fish need to move according to the movement of the mouse. You must clone the small fish, and the changes must be made to the you must give effects to the shark so that it starts eating the fish. It wide opens its mouth and starts chewing and eating it. We will see how the codes are being written for each, and there are a number of questions for the small fish. The claws of the small fish need to move random on the screen, and well, when it touches the jellyfish, it must have entirely different sounds, and then the score must be down by -5. And this is an interesting game. Okay, now I will show you these are the commands which has been written for the shark. Please note it down and go and see the changes. When you change it, you need to experiment with each and every command. Don't be a prototype, and you could see how it works. Look, when clicked, set size to 40% forever, point towards mouse pointer, and if the distance of the mouse pointer is less than 5, then move 4 steps. That means the shark will be moving in the direction of the mouse pointer, and it helps you to catch the fishes. And there are two events happening when the shark touching fish and the jellyfish touching the shark. Two such things are there, and now the game is on. You'll get a lot of points, but when you touch the jellyfish, it will reduce the points, and there is a bang sound. Look, the points are reducing. Okay, the color codes are changing. This is how the game is being planned. I will show all the codes. This is the code for the fish. This is the code for the jellyfish. And when the events all happen, just like touching the fish, okay, you must avoid the jellyfish and you must go for the fishes, and when the shark is being beyond one's size, the possibility of touching the jellyfish is very high. That means when the shark has grown beyond a size, there is a possibility of touching the jellyfish very frequent. Okay, this is the manner you could create an interesting game. Okay, now I am stopping it, and you must find how to create it with and how the codes work. I am stopping it, and just for your convenience, you can write down the commands or the code block palettes so that the fishes starts swimming in the underwater backgrounds, and the shark starts eating. Now look at the programs written for the shark. Is that game interesting? So now it is time for you to experiment with the various possibilities in it, and you can create a game for yourself. Let it be your first venture, and hope you will be able to create much more exciting new ventures with the many of the ideas which are being given in the Scratch programming site. So this is the manner in which you have to create